All right, 7th grade Reading Plus, this is your first spelling lesson. With these spelling lessons, there is no spelling test at the end. This assignment will help you in life with your spelling. You will need to complete each section to the best of your ability, and don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when done. Now, when you are doing this, notice that it gives you a word bank. These are the words that we're going to be working on. And today we are working with 2-syllable words with an A sound. So what you will do is you will come down and it says fill in each blank with a spelling word. It's only used once. So I am blank of the dark. On that you would write in afraid. Of the dark. I've used it, so it's going away. So you'll fill in the rest of those. Down here on this section, it says circle the word that is the same as the top one. Now, we have agree. Notice they circled the word agree. You'll do that for the rest of those. On part C, it says put an X on the word that is not the same. So in the row, instead of the column this time, you'll X out the word that is different. So I would pause this video and finish this front page before going on to the next. On this page, in Part A, you'll be writing the words in alphabetical order. They're only used once. On Part B, it says find the missing letter, then write the word. Part C, write the spelling word that rhymes with the word. When you get down to Part D, if you notice on Part D that some of the boxes are small, some of them are tall, and some of them have a little extra box. Those are hints as to what the words or what the letters will be. And if you notice over here, this one drops down. So if it's a tall one, it needs a tall letter. If it's a low one, it needs a letter that drops down. If it's got the box at the top, that means something needs to go into that box. I would pause the video now and finish this page before going on to the next. In Part A on this page, you will be matching the spelling word with its antonym. Antonym means the opposite. So what would be the opposite of agree? Agree would be to differ. So you will come over here and you will write the letter C on the line. If you feel the need to connect it that way, that's fine, but make sure you put the letter on the line. In Part B, it says use the spelling word to complete the story. Notice there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, so not all of the spelling words will be used. And Part C, how many syllables does each word have? If you remember back to your elementary days, they would clap their hands and that would tell you how many syllables there are. So you'd write that number there. Pause this page or pause this video and finish this page before going on to the next. On the last page, on Part A, it says use the spelling words in a sentence. So you have the 8 spelling words and you need to use them in a complete sentence, and don't forget to use a period at the end. This might be a good place to try using a text box instead of writing since you're doing a complete sentence. In Part B, write the spelling word under each picture. So you have to look at the picture and decide what word fits the best. Part C, a word that means the same as another is called a synonym. So it says write the correct spelling word beside its synonym, means the same. And on Part D, this would be another place to use a text box. And it says write a paragraph using one of the spelling words. It's just one. Now, if you can fit more than one in there, that would be awesome. I would use a text box to finish this page off. Have fun, enjoy, and don't forget to, sorry for the movement, to submit to me through Canvas when you are finished.